Assalamualaikum. Friends, today I am talking about a story. This story is not about a thing. This is a story about a person. This person was started business at 21, but he was failed. Now when he was 22, he defeated legislative place. And at 24, he started again a business, but he was failed. And 26, when he 26, her sweetheart was died. It is very sad news. Then he was a broken heart attack at 27. But he was not stopped. At 7 years, after 7 years, he was failed in congressional race. After 11 years, he try again, but 45 when he 45 years, he failed central members. He cannot stop. He cannot stop. He was vice president, but he was failed. He was failed. And 49, he was again failed in central election. Now he try again. After few years, he was elected United States President. He was Abraham Lincoln. Our famous president was Abraham Lincoln. Thank you very much.